Hi guys, Venkatramana Academy. This is our channel's name. You're most welcome to this channel. We are in the journey of learning English advanced vocabulary words relating to medical field. In this video, we are going to know various medical specialists or doctors, what they do, how they do it, what they are called. How to talk about doctors, what is the title of the doctors specialize in and treat for various diseases. Let's know in detail. The first word we are going to learn in this session, cardiologist. Cardiologist. Does your heart work properly? A cardiologist doctor deals with the cardiovascular system and treats any abnormality in our blood vessels and heart. This includes disorders or conditions which require diagnosis and the treatment. The second word we are going to learn in this session, gynecologist. Gynecologist. Female troubles treatment. This specialist treats the female reproductive and sexual organs. A gynecologist is trained to treat the female reproductive system, which includes the vagina, uterus, ovaries, and breasts. The third word we are going to learn in this session, orthopedist. Orthopedist. How are your bones? This specialist is known to deal with issues relating to the musculoskeletal system, that is muscles and bones. Any fracture, pain or abnormality of these areas need to be consulted with the orthopedic surgeon. The fourth word we are going to learn in this session, pediatrician. Pediatrician. Is your baby ill? This specialist limits his practice to youngsters, taking care of babies, supervising their diet, and watching over their growth and development. You can observe in this picture. The fifth word you are going to learn in this session, psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. Is your brain working properly? This specialist attempts to alleviate mental or emotional disturbance by means of various techniques. Occasionally drugs or electroconvulsive therapy, more often private or group psychotherapy. The sixth word we are going to learn in this session, neurologist. Neurologist. Are you a neurotic? This physician specialist specializes in treatment of disorders of the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of nervous system. Look at this picture. The seventh word we are going to learn in this session, obstetrician. 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 Having a baby. This specialist delivers babies and takes care of the mother during and immediately after the period of the pregnancy. Having a baby, obstetrician. The eighth word we are going to learn in this session: pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. Are your lungs working properly? Pulmonary means lungs. Hence, a doctor who treats lungs abnormalities and issues relating to lungs. A pulmonologist helps in diagnosis and treat common issue like lung cancer. The ninth word we are going to learn now: cardiothoracic surgeon. Cardiothoracic surgeon. Are the organs of chest okay? Thorax means chest. A cardiothoracic surgeon treats conditions of the heart, lungs, esophagus, and other organs in the chest. The 10th word we are going to learn now: audiologist. Audiologist. Is your hearing okay? As the name suggests, an audiologist treats and evaluates anything and everything to do with audio or hearing abilities of the person. Since hearing is very important sense, it requires an expert to treat the same. Audiologist. The 11th word we are going to learn, we are going to know: endocrinologist. Endocrinologist are thyroid, pancreas, etc. okay? An endocrinologist is responsible for treating the endocrine system, which includes the pituitary gland, pancreas, ovaries, thyroid, hypothalamus, etc. They help in treating diabetes, hyperthyroidism, etc. The 12th word we are going to learn in this session: dentist. Dentist. Is your oral health okay? A dentist is a doctor of oral health. It includes teeth, tongue, and gums. A dentist is known to be diagnose and treat issues of these three areas. The 13th word of this session: dermatologist. Dermatologist. Is your skin clear? A dermatologist is a doctor who specializes in conditions involving the skin, hair, and nails. A dermatologist can identify and treat more than 3,000 conditions. These conditions includes eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancer, among many others. The 14th word of this session we are going to learn, we are going to know: ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. Are eyes okay? This specialist treats the disorders of vision like myopia, astigmatism, cataracts, glaucoma, etc. Many may prescribe glasses, administer drugs, or perform surgery. Ophthalmologist. The 15th word, the last word of this session, we are going to know, we are going to learn: oncologist. Oncologist. Are you suffering from cancer? Oncologist involves the study of all types of cancers. This involves the radiation, medical, and surgical. Oncologist can specialize in one type of cancer, as well as the field is vast. Oncologist. Now it's the testing time. Can you recall the words? for practice purpose. Specialist who straightens teeth and oral health. Dentist. The second word, nerve pain. Neurologist. Medical specialty dealing with bones and joints. Orthopedist. The fourth word, medical specialist dealing with emotional disturbances and mental health. Psychiatrist. Specialist in treating skin diseases. Dermatologist. Specialist in treating pregnant women. Obstetrician. Specialist in treating some disorders. Gynecologist of the female reproductive organs. Specialist in treating newborn child and children. Pediatrician. Specialist in treating faulty vision. Ophthalmologist. Specialist in treating heart problems. Cardiologist. Specialist in treating hearing ability relating to ears. Audiologist. Specialist in treating abnormalities and issues of lungs. Pulmonologist. Specialist in treating endocrine system. Endocrinologist. Specialist in treating all types of cancers. Oncologist. Specialist in treating the organs of chest. Cardiothoracic